So my zinnias are in full bloom. They are very pretty, if you can see. I have some double petal ones, deep pink, a lighter pink single petal. That's a single petal right here. This is a semi-double. Look at this orange one. It's so pretty. The color is almost overexposed on the camera, but they are very pretty. Very, very pretty zinnias. So here are some lighter pink ones. They're almost a peach color. This one is slightly smaller. Single petal ones. Very pretty. Look at this one. So these are all from one plant. It's just flopped over. Look at this one. It's a lighter pink. Very pretty as well. Look at these two together right here. Look at this grouping right here as well. So very pretty. But we'll take a look at this one. This one here. So all of this is one plant that has flopped over. You probably can't see it. But there's something funny about these zinnias, because this is what I planted. These are the seeds that I planted. The Thumbelina Zinnias. And if you know anything about the Thumbelina Zinnias, they're called Thumbelinas because they are a dwarf zinnia. They're only supposed to grow up to, as you can see there, 6 inches. And the packet tells you it is a dwarf plant. And if you can see from the picture, these are the zinnias that I got. The flowers are they're right. But the height, these are not 6 inches. Let me show you the height of these zinnias. So for this one, if you look at the tape, this is about 42 inches. So it's almost 4 feet. So some of these are flopped over, but even with the flopping, they're at least 2 feet. At least 2 feet tall. Same as this one, which has flopped. So it's about 2 feet. They are very pretty, so I can't complain about that. So clearly they're not the Thumbelina, or at least they're probably a different type of zinnia, but they are not this. They are not this. So it's not really a problem. It's just funny that I bought the packet, the seed packet, because I wanted dwarf zinnias, but I ended up with some giant zinnias anyway. Nevertheless, they're pretty, so I'm happy about that. So, bye.